Hello everyone and welcome to my another video. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 ways which student can pass India at maths. Yes guys, I decided to discuss in this particular topic, especially in this movement control order. So I hope you guys can get benefit from these 5 tips I'm about to discuss to you. So please stay till the end. So without further delay, let's jump to the video now. Alright guys, the first and the most important step which you need to follow to pass your ATMATS paper is you need to master the basics. Alright guys, ask yourself a question. Have you ever mastered your area, volume, and then all those fundamentals such as the ratios, linear equation, and then the basic algebra? If you mastered all those, congratulations guys. Now you can proceed to do the other practices. If not, then my advice to you, please redo some quick revision on those chapters, because especially in algebra guys, because I've seen that most of the students are facing difficulties in solving chapter 4 simultaneous equation. By the way guys, chapter 4 simultaneous equation is one of the chapters in form 4 additional mathematics. Okay, for those audience out there, by the way, I'm using a KBSM reference over here guys, which I'm aware that the KSSM syllabus have made some amendments in the syllabus. Okay, so that's the first step guys. So make sure you master the basics of the form 1, form 2 and form 3 mathematics, because your additional mathematics question not only covers the form 4 and form 5 chapters as well, but then it covers all the form 1 up to form 5 knowledges you've learned in mathematics guys. Alright guys, once you've already mastered the basics of form 1, form 2 and form 3 mathematics, now you can focus on the concepts of the ATMATS. ATMATS you will be learning in form 4 and form 5 as well guys. Okay, so what I mean by focusing on the concepts, okay, if let's say I'm taking one of the example, okay, form 5 chapter 1 progression. Okay, by the way guys, I'm using this example for the KBSM students for this year SPM 2020, which already pushed forward to the 2021. So for the KSSM syllabus, the chapters might be differ because I'm using a KBSM standards over here. So for form 5 chapter 1 progression, okay, let's say you have two types of progression. One is a arithmetic progression, another one is a geometric progression. So you need to know the difference between both of the formulas, both of the concepts, and what are the formulas and how we need to use the formulas. So that's other concepts guys. So for form 4 and form 5 there are many chapters, so you need to understand the concepts of them before you need to proceed to the question. Alright guys, once you have already understand the concepts of the particular chapter, so what you can do is you can start to do the conceptual question guys. What I mean by conceptual question, for my opinion, I feel that conceptual question is a direct question. For example, for a chapter 4 simultaneous equation, if you ever meet some question where ask you to solve this particular simultaneous equation and they give you directly those two equations, okay, that is considered a conceptual question guys, which you need to use the principles and understanding from those particular chapter to get the solution. Okay, you have to do those kind of question, so in order to get the base of your understanding, to have your fundamentals strong enough. Alright guys, once you have already do the conceptual question, the students out there, please don't sit on that particular comfort zone. Once you have done with the conceptual question, you need to attempt a more difficult question. So once you feel that okay, this question is easy enough, I'm prepared for more difficult question, yes, you need to do that guys. Do a more difficult question. Okay, what I mean by a difficult question, have you ever met those wordy questions in your additional mathematics paper where there is no single diagram at all? Okay, that kind of question is considered a difficult question guys, where you need to get the important information in the particular question, and then from there you need to apply those knowledges you learn from the additional mathematics chapters guys. So by doing this difficult question, you will have a more exposure, so you won't feel panic when you see those difficult questions in examination. Alright guys, the last tips, which is the tip number 5, is none other than practice the long question. Alright guys, even though that there are 2 papers in your additional mathematics, so number 1 is the short question and the second one is the long question. Your long question is the one is going to determine you whether you have passed your paper or not, because in your SPM Maths paper, your short question carries 80% of the marks, whereas your long paper carries 100 marks. So when you combine them, you have 180 guys. So those students who decided, okay, I feel like I want to neglect long question, I just want to do short question, you still cannot guys. You will end up in failing your additional mathematics paper. Okay, so you need to attempt those long question guys. You might be thinking, by the time you apply those 4 ways, you still don't get the long question concept. It's okay, I understand. Start to do some of the long question from the easy chapter itself, so you get the practice. Okay, so by getting those practice, so you will have more confidence by attempting the long question, not only for those easy chapters, but it will give you the motivation to attempt those difficult chapters as well. Alright guys, I hope that those 5 tips are pretty helpful to you. So those students who might be thinking that, sir, I have never passed my additional paper in my entire life, so this video is definitely useful for you guys. So that is all guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos as well. Alright guys, thank you everyone for your support, and I will see you in the next video.